I won the show, and how lucky I am to have Mr. Phil Heath, the man.
No, this is the champ right here. He's going to the Olympia, so be sure to follow this guy.
Hey guys, I'm in the garden here, but عندنا شغل. I have a new company showing great work. I will show you what they are doing in the wall. That's my Ducati. The company called Jidar. They have some artwork on the wall. يسوون شغل وايد حلو على الطوفة. And that's me on the wall. That's my empty garage for now. So, final work, براويكم إياه بعدين. Day one, after my winning in Muzzolani, starting my workout.